What's up, respiratory world? This is our Parapac transport ventilator. As you can see, it's a small ventilator, but it does all the functions that we need to have done on the regular size ventilator. We usually do this when patients are recently intubated in the emergency department and probably have to go to CAT scan afterwards. So we usually put them on a transport ventilator, so it's just easier to transport. We have our on and off switch. You probably aren't going to see any changes in tidal volume because it's not hooked up to a test lung, but you could adjust the pressure alarm there. We have our frequency, child, infant, adult. So we have the frequency at about 17 right now. You see it a little bit above the 15, in between the 15 and 20 mark. We can dial in between 50% FiO2 to 100% FiO2. And this is our tidal volumes. We aren't going that much higher than about 600-700 on tidal volume. And the power source it has to be connected to a E-tank, E-cylinder. So it won't run unless it's connected to an E-cylinder. It doesn't require a power source like a plug or anything like that, but it's pneumatically powered. So it's powered by the E-cylinder. So this is just one of our transport ventilators that we do use in the hospital. Used it several times before. It's great, especially with the COVID and stuff like that. We don't have to disconnect the ventilator. We just transport the patient over there, put this on the side of the bed, hang it up on the side of the bed, and we're able to transport the patient over to CAT scan. The actual tubing is just this tubing here. So we have our PEEP valve where we can adjust it between 5 and 20 of PEEP. This connection here goes to the patient right to the end of the endotracheal tube. And this piece here goes right there. Parapac transport ventilator.